I am taking a lecture of posterior compartment of the thigh. Posterior compartment of the thigh is also called back of the thigh or posterior compartment of the thigh. It is also called hamstring compartment or flexor compartment of the thigh. All of you know there are three compartments of the thigh: anterior compartment, middle compartment and the posterior compartment. So posterior compartment is separated from the anterior extensor compartment by the lateral intermuscular septum, and the medial side से separate करेगा by the medial intermuscular septum, but it is not well defined. Then the cutaneous nerve supply of the posterior compartment of the thigh. So in this, thigh is divided into three parts: medial side, lateral side and middle side. On the medial side it is supplied by medial cutaneous nerve of the thigh, and on lateral side of the thigh it is supplied by lateral cutaneous nerve of the thigh, and on the middle of the posterior compartment is supplied by posterior cutaneous nerve of the thigh. So the thigh is supplied by three cutaneous nerve: lateral, medial and posterior cutaneous nerve. Then the vein, so there are superficial vein and limb vessels is also present in superficial fascia. So superficial vein are two: many small veins that curve around the medial and lateral aspect of the thigh that drains into the great saphenous vein, and the superficial vein from the lateral part of the back of thigh which join the small saphenous vein in the popliteal fossa. So the venous drainage drain into both popliteal fossa में small saphenous vein and the great saphenous vein. Then the lymph vessels, lymph from the skin and superficial fascia on the back of thigh drain upward and forward into the vertical group of the superficial inguinal lymph node. So lymph जितना भी posterior compartment of the thigh का होगा, that finally drains into the vertical group of superficial inguinal lymph node. Then the content of posterior or hamstring compartment of the thigh, so in which muscles is present, blood supply and nerve supply. Muscles are biceps femoris, which has two head, short head and long head, semitendinosus muscle, semimembranosus muscle and the ischial part of the adductor magnus. Adductor magnus has two parts: adductor part and the ischial part. So adductor part is a component of the medial compartment of the thigh, and the ischial part is the component of the posterior compartment of the thigh. So these are the muscles. Then the blood supply by the branches of the profunda femoris artery. Nerve supply by the sciatic nerve. So one by one एक एक मसल के बारे में हमें पढ़ना है, in which first is origin, insertion, nerve supply and the action. And before this, the posterior compartment has some specific or characteristic features. These muscles originate from ischial tuberosity. जितनी भी muscles हैं posterior compartment की arise from ischial tuberosity. Inside at the bone of leg. Leg की two bones हैं, either tibia or fibula, दोनों पे ये insert होगी. All the muscles are innervated by tibial part of the sciatic nerve except short head of the biceps femoris, which is supplied by common peroneal part of tibial nerve. The muscle acts as a flexor of the knee and extensor of the hip. So there are four muscles: biceps, semitendinosus, semimembranosus and ischial head of adductor magnus. One by one. First is semimembranosus muscle. It arise from the superolateral quadrant of the posterior surface of the ischial tuberosity. It inserts into the posterior surface of medial tibial condyle. टिबिया के medial condyle पे insert होगी. And nerve supply by the tibial portion of the sciatic nerve. Action is the extension of the hip and flexion and medial rotation of the knee. Second muscle is semitendinosus muscle. It arises from the superior medial quadrant of the posterior surface of ischial tuberosity. It inserts into superior aspect of the medial shaft of the tibia. Tibia के shaft पे. Action is same like semimembranosus, that is extension of the hip, flexion and medial rotation of the knee. And nerve supply is same tibial portion of the sciatic nerve. The next is biceps femoris muscle. Biceps femoris has two heads, long head, short head. Long head arises from the superior-medial quadrant of the posterior surface of the ischial tuberosity. Short head arises from middle third of the linea aspera and lateral supracondylar ridge of the femur. Both the tendon are insert into the fibular head, fibula के head पे, with extension to the lateral collateral ligament and lateral tibial condyle. Action is same, flex the knee, rotate the tibia laterally, extend the hip joint. And nerve supply दोनों की अलग अलग होगी. Long head is supplied by tibial component of the sciatic nerve, wherever short head is supplied by common peroneal component of the sciatic nerve. So all the muscles of the posterior compartment is supplied by tibial nerve, except posterior head. Short head of biceps femoris, which is supplied by common peroneal nerve. And the fourth muscle, that is ischial part of adductor magnus. It arises from the lateral part of lower area of the ischial tuberosity. Insertion of the adductor tubercle of the femur. Nerve supply is same like tibial portion of the sciatic nerve. And extension is extension of the thigh. There is no action at knee joint. So summarize from that is hamstring muscles, which is supplied by sciatic nerve. Short head of the biceps is supplied by common peroneal nerve. And semimembranosus muscle, semitendinosus muscle, long head of the biceps femoris muscle, and the hamstring portion of the adductor magnus muscle, which is supplied by tibial division, which is the branch of or part of the sciatic nerve. Then the blood supply. Blood supply is four perforating branch of profunda femoris artery, which supply all the muscles of posterior compartment. And the profunda femoris vein drains the blood from the posterior compartment of the thigh. So this is the diagrammatic parts in which there are four perforating branch of profunda femoris artery, which supply or provide a rich blood supply to the posterior compartment of the thigh. So next is sciatic nerve, which is the part or component of the posterior compartment of the thigh. So sciatic nerve is the largest and thickest nerve of the body. It consists of two separate nerves, which अरेंज इन वन शीथ. एक शीथ के अंदर दो सेपरेट नर्व होंगी, दोनों मिलके बनाएंगी सियाटिक नर्व. सो दैट आर कॉमन पेरोनियल नर्व विच इज फॉर्म्ड बाय फ्यूजन ऑफ upper four posterior division of the sacral plexus, and root value are L4, L5, S1, S2. Second is tibial part, which is formed by all the anterior division of sacral plexus, and root value L4, L5, S1, S2 and S3. So दोनों में डिफरेंस है. कॉमन पेरोनियल अराइज हो रही है पोस्टीरियर डिवीजन ऑफ सैक्रल प्लेक्सस से, एंड टिबियल नर्व अराइज फ्रॉम द एंटीरियर डिवीजन ऑफ लंबोसैक्रल प्लेक्सस. द नर्व लीव द पेल्विस अराइज हुई लंबोसैक्रल प्लेक्सस से, देन इट enter into the gluteal region. That nerve leave the pelvis through the greater sciatic foramen and terminate in the thigh by dividing into both tibial and common peroneal nerve. So branch in the thigh supply the hamstring muscles, in which rami from the tibial trunk supply the semimembranosus, semitendinosus, long head of biceps femoris and adductor magnus muscle का ischial part, and ramus from the common peroneal trunk supply the short head of the biceps femoris. So लंबोसैक्रल प्लेक्सस से अराइज हुई, ग्लूटियल रीजन में आई, ग्लूटियल रीजन से आ गई थाई में, थाई के बाद में जस्ट पोस्टीरियर टू द नी सियाटिक नर्व विल ब्रांच of to form medial tibial nerve, lateral common peroneal nerve. अब मीडियल साइड में जो टिबियल नर्व है वो डिसेंड करेगी पोस्टीरियर कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ द लेग को, एंड द मसल्स ऑफ द पोस्टीरियर कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ द लेग को सप्लाई करेगी, एंड द कॉमन पेरोनियल नर्व इज डिवाइड्स फर्दर डिवाइड्स इनटू टू, सुपरफिशियल पेरोनियल एंड डीप पेरोनियल. सुपरफिशियल पेरोनियल नर्व गोज लेटरली to the lateral compartment of the leg, and the deep peroneal nerve goes to anterior compartment of the leg and dorsum of the foot. तो dorsum of the foot and anterior compartment of the leg की मसल को सप्लाई करेगी. सुपरफिशियल पेरोनियल नर्व सप्लाई करेगी मसल्स ऑफ द lateral compartment of the foot. सो समराइज फॉर्म में हम आपको बताते हैं, पोस्टीरियर कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ द थाई, दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड हैमस्ट्रिंग कंपार्टमेंट, और द फ्लेक्सर कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ द थाई, दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड बैक ऑफ द थाई. देन इसके कंटेंट में मसल पढ़ाई थी मैंने, मसल के बाद में नर्व, देन आर्टरी. मसल्स में देर आर 4 मसल्स, सेमी मेम्ब्रेनोसिस, सेमी टेंडिनोसिस बताई थी, देन द बाइसेप्स फीमोरिस के 2 हेड बताए थे, and the ischial part of the adductor magnus muscle. हर पार्ट की अलग अलग ओरिजन थे, अलग अलग इंसर्शन थे. ओरिजन ऑलमोस्ट सभी का ischial part of the ischial tuberosity of the hip bone से था. इंसर्शन सभी का bone of the leg either tibia or the fibula पे था. नर्व सभी की sciatic nerve थी. So all the muscles of posterior compartment is supplied by tibial part of the sciatic nerve, except short head of the biceps femoris जो सप्लाई करती है कॉमन पेरोनियल नर्व को. देन दी आर्टीरियल सप्लाई में परफोरेटिंग ब्रांच ऑफ पोप्लिटियल आर्टरी है जो पोस्टीरियर कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ द थाई को सप्लाई करेगी. सो पोस्टीरियर कंपार्टमेंट ऑलमोस्ट इज कंप्लीट. सियाटिक नर्व इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट है. सियाटिक नर्व की रूट वैल्यू पता होना चाहिए. इट अराइज फ्रॉम द लंबोसैक्रल प्लेक्सिस. लंबोसैक्रल प्लेक्सिस की रूट वैल्यू होती है L4, L5, S1, S2 एंड S3. सो देर आर 2 कंपोनेंट और 2 पार्ट्स ऑफ द सियाटिक नर्व, टिबियल एंड द कॉमन पेरोनियल नर्व. टिबियल नर्व एंटीरियर डिवीजन ऑफ प्राइमरी रेमाई से अराइज हो रही है. कॉमन पेरोनियल नर्व पोस्टीरियर डिवीजन ऑफ प्राइमरी रेमाई ऑफ द स्पाइनल नर्व से अराइज होती है. टिबियल नर्व की रूट वैल्यू अलग होती है, कॉमन पेरोनियल की अलग होती है. टिबियल नर्व रूट वैल्यू इज L4, L5, S1, S2, S3, and the common peroneal nerve root value is L4, L5, S1 and S2. So this is the topic of the posterior compartment of the thigh. थैंक यू, समझ में आ गया होगा आपके। थैंक्स।